What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new video. This is going to be a real brief one. I've decided within the past few weeks to put pretty much 99% of my content, all new content, onto Rumble. I've received a handful of strikes on this channel for stuff that I don't think should have ever been struck. I keep getting videos taken down for the most ridiculous reasons, and I'm just kind of tired of having to sit on one ass cheek and walk on eggshells. So I've got quite a few new videos over on my Rumble channel, and it feels real good to post on that platform and not have to, again, worry about everything that I say. I can actually create the way that I want to create. So if you're a fan of my channel, if you want to support my broadcast, I would really appreciate it if you would take the 2 minutes that it takes to go over to rumble.com and create a free account. There is so much good video content on that platform. You're going to get a lot more out of Rumble if you use it than YouTube, because you're going to find content over there that isn't restricted. And why would you want restricted content, right? YouTube's good for mindless entertainment. It's good for shutting your brain off and sifting through all the Mr. Beast style content, which is just, in my opinion, pure trash, guys. I mean, come on. There's so much, again, not to be repetitive, but Rumble's just full of great documentaries. It's full of beneficial information. And if we refuse to go over to platforms like that and sign up, you guys, and we choose to instead stay on YouTube, what we're doing is a disservice to humanity, right? Because we want to support free speech platforms. And the more that we choose to instead be lazy and just stay on YouTube for the hell of it, I don't want to create an account, what the fuck? The more we just breathe fire into this anti-free speech system, right? So, Sacred Serpent over on Rumble. I don't think I can change my username, which is kind of a problem. And I'll tell you why. On Rumble, at least with the way things are now, you can't change your username once you set up an account. And I believe, I can't remember exactly, but I believe when I signed up for my account, Sacred Serpent with a space between Sacred and Serpent was taken. Someone took it already. So my tag is Sacred Serpent, but there's no space between Sacred and Serpent. So if you go over to Rumble, just type in my username without a space, and my icon should come up, and a handful of my videos will come up as well. But if you put a space between Sacred and Serpent, my icon will show up at the top of the search feed, but my video feed won't. So you'll still be able to find my account if you type in my name the way that it's spelled here on YouTube, but you're not going to get a stream of my newest content. I don't know why this is, because I'm getting used to the tags and everything over on that platform. So anyways, aside from that, I've made it easy. You don't even have to go to the platform and search my name. I've put a link to my channel in the description box below, and I'm going to highlight or pin a link to my channel in the comment section as well. So just click it and sign up. And you don't even technically need to sign up to watch my content over there. But again, if you do create an account, you guys, you'll get notified every time I post a new and informative video. I've got a bunch of new content over there. So I've decided to not completely snuff out this channel. And what I mean by that is the YouTube channel. Once a month, maybe 2 times a month, sometimes maybe even 3 times a month, I'll post some new PC videos onto that platform. But I'm going to use it largely to promote my Rumble channel. You know, BitChute is dead. I'm not using that platform anymore. So disregard BitChute, because all my new content is going right onto Rumble. So again, guys, links in the description box below. I want to thank everyone who's taken the time to be here with me on this platform. Some of you guys have been here on this channel supporting it since the day it was, or since its conception, excuse me. I really appreciate the support, all the likes, the comments. There's been great dialogue between you and me. I've met so many great people on this platform, but it's time for a new change. It's time to let go of the anchor and get some wind behind my sail. So again, links in the description box below. I hope to see you over there.